Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, we will see how to add About Us section in React application. This is the third part of single page application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. We will start by creating About component in Components folder as a functional component. And add a root for About in main component. Now if we refresh browser and go to About Us, it will route to About component. Let's update the About component now. Add a card with header and some text. Also add media as we had in menu component and update it with About information. Let's add a new file Teams in Shared folder to display the About information from Shared. I have added some members with ID, name, and designation under Teams. Now, let's move HTML to a function, and use const to render About component, as we will map through the teams added in Shared folder. In main component, update the component in root for About and pass Teams to it. Also add the same team in state of main component. Let's pass a leader in About component that we will use to display the leader details in About Us. Let's refactor and move outside HTML below, and only keep the HTML we want to be displayed after mapping in function, that is the media part. Also add leader ID while returning team, and wrap team in media list as we are rendering a list of team members. Let me do some more code cleanup and styling. and add these CSS classes. Now if we refresh and check, you can see how perfectly our About section is rendered. We can also move the team, that is the leader's code, in a new component. Let's do it. Create leader component. And move code from About to Leader component. And render leader component at the end of About component. Also update the root again in main component and undo the changes. Add the state team in leader as it is a class component. Some more code refactoring. And now let's refresh the browser. As you can see, even after moving teams out of About component, UI is coming same as before. So, we have successfully added About Us section in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.